Welcome back to Soul Dashboard. My name is Johann. Today we're going to walk through the simple steps of creating a new sales quote for your client. To begin, navigate to the Sales section on the left-hand menu and select Quotes. The Quotes dashboard gives you an overview of your current activity. To start a new quote, simply click the New Quote button. We recommend choosing the Create Manually option to ensure everything is customized from scratch. The New Quote form requires a few essential details. First, you need to identify the recipient.
Start typing the client's name or email to select an existing contact, or easily add a new client right here.
Next, set the quote date, which is today's date, and importantly, the quote expiry date. This gives your client a clear time frame to accept the terms before the offer expires. Now for the item details, input a clear description, set the quantity, and define the unit price. Soul automatically calculates the total amount. You can easily toggle the GST switch on or off depending on your business's registration status. You can add multiple line items for different services or products as needed. Once the details are complete, you can review the total. Before saving and sending, ensure the client has a valid email address attached to their contact. If they don't, a quick pop-up allows you to immediately update their details to ensure delivery. With all the necessary details finalized, click Save and Send. The system will notify you that the quote has been successfully created. You'll be returned to your quotes dashboard, where you can see the newly created quote in a draft status. From here, you can track its progress, update details, or change the status. For a final look, click the View icon to open the quote preview. This is the exact professional document your client will receive, complete with all necessary billing and item details.